Fashion for me is the best form of self-expression. It's the most relatable and practical form of art.
Divine is raised by gays. Hindi man ako bakla, tomboy, pero I see their fight every day. And I think they really show human strength.
Realize ko na gusto ko maging action star kasi yung katawan ko tsaka itsura ko pang action talaga.
For me, it's sort of a way of communicating also to other people.
Iba kasi yung naniniwala ka na wala kang sinasabi. Iba rin yung may ginagawa ka.
Tingin ko si Ramon Bautista reflection ng mga ordinaryong tao na nandyan.
For me, an independent woman is you support yourself, you stand strong in what you believe in.
Well, with everything I do naman in life, I really follow my heart. That's why nga nung 17, nag-run away ako, diba? Kala ko magiging Victoria's Secret model ako, fail.
I am Camille Koch.
I am Divine Lee.
I am Ramon Bautista.